Welcome to Camp Eagle Math class. In this class, we are quilting using math concepts.
Some people might say, why do we do quilting for math? And here's the answer, is that because there's a lot of math types. You have to measure, you have to multiply, divide, and you have to do a lot of sewing, and that you need to know math. If we didn't know math, we would just, it'll be awkward quilt, and it won't be a quilt at all. So that's why math is for quilting.
Some math concepts that we used in quilting are measurements. We also use symmetry and multiplication and division, and some addition to find out what we need to do and what we need. For measurements, it's cutting the felt and the fabric. For division, multiplication, and adding, it's trying to find out where to put stuff like the squares on this hajol quilt. And these are the concepts that I used in quilting.
When I was making my quilt square, I used lots of math techniques. I used multiplication, division, addition. I also used a little bit of subtraction. I used rulers, I used measurements, and I also used a lot of math thinking.
Some math concepts that I learned this year in quilting is angles and geometry with the shapes on different parts of the quilt. What Huzhou means to me is peace and joy. This mountain range represents how much I love mountain biking and how this represents Huzhou.
What Huzhou means to me is when my family and friends are proud of me when I do something that I really enjoy. And what I drew on this quilt square is me and my mom, and this is me when it's like I usually do powwows and everything. And I tried out for the pageant and I won, and it made me feel happy and everyone that was there.
What Huzhou means to me is love, peace, and harmony. I think that every morning we should wake up peaceful and have people who love you all around you and have harmony in the world. On my quilt square, I drew a peace sign rising up into the sky. The peace sign symbolizes the sun, and the sky is the color of love.
What Huzhou means to me is peace and health, and Huzhou also means to me that I'm healthy and that the world is peaceful. And I drew this quilt square and it's hoops, and hoops means, well, hoops feels like a connection to me and the world, and hoops, it just means a lot to me.